This is a Forex video journal for USDCAD on October 28th. Looking at the daily chart, the last three closes have been uh, bullish to the upside, um, well over 189 pips. It's about 189 pips. So from the daily chart, it looks like price is bullish and may run further up into this area here around close to 106. Right now, prices are at 104. Um, there is an interim resistance here, which it looks on Friday that it's broken through it, and look for price to come up further to the 127 extension here of this expansion up and then back down. So that's all I'll say about there is a little bit of resistance at the 127, which is at 104.81. So the daily chart looks bullish. If there would be a pullback, that pullback may come into uh, the span B of the Ichimoku cloud. Price is now broken above the cloud, so potentially a pullback into the 103.75 area. Just make a note of that. 103.75. Go over to the 4-hour chart, and obviously as well this looks bullish. So what's happened here is this magical level here of 102.81 in that area has held once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then now taken off to the upside. So this was clearly this was not going to hold this time, um, because if price is going to find support here, buyers are coming in 4 times at this price level, and each time they're moving price higher, um, higher here, then higher here. Didn't quite make it down on this fifth attempt here, and then move it higher, come back, and that was just a double bottom there. So this is from the daily chart, we can see this is looking bullish. If this is going to come back, where could it potentially come back to? To 382, which is 103.89 and 103.89. Yeah, we're in that region there of 103.89, 103.75. So look for potential pullback into that to maybe continue the upside. Um, I might not make it all the way down to the 38 retrace. If it doesn't do that, the other potential area is not sure why I have that. Okay. Okay, so right here was resistance. Potentially price could come back to it. If I throw on a 23, don't like using the 23. I don't even have it. So, I mean, price gets in here, which is that 103, So 104.20, you'll have the 23 Fib retrace, the 21 EMA, and this resistance, which should now turn support. So not a bad area to take a long trade to resume it back up. If I do a smaller move, Fibonacci for this, from this beginning of this leg up, the 38 aligns in this area. So in 104.25 to 104.18, in there, look for taking a potential long trade in continuation. If that doesn't hold, then look for it to come uh, perhaps all the way down into this area here, 103.67. I'm going to drill down now to the 1 hour chart to see if there's maybe potential short that could come in here for a quick scalp. Still, I mean, price will still get up to this 11618 expansion. Let's see where that lines up. That's what I probably had there. Okay, so the 1414 looks like it's a between that and the 1618 might be a good area to look for taking shorts and look for potential trades to get in long to get up to that level. All right, and now the 1 hour chart. Of course, this is as well looking very bullish. Prices above the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud. Prices on the 21 EMA now. The 1 hour 100, 200 EMA is looking incredibly bullish, so that's good. So you could potentially look for so you got this support holding in here, but it's not producing a higher high. As of right now, I don't see a trade in there. I like this 4 hour setup better. If it could get down to the 104.20 area, it's a good area to take along. So 104.20 over here would be so by the time it gets down to 104.20, look to perhaps it'll be on the 100 EMA. So that's the update for USDCAD. I'll continue to watch this for the rest of the week, but as of right now, there is no trade that's presenting itself. Potential longs in this region here around 104.20, even down to 104 even, and then look for potential shorts up at 104.97. Be ideal if you could get down and then ride that up.